Want to make $100 an hour doing something simple? Learn how to start a photo organizing business that pays top dollar. From setting up your business to finding clients, we'll cover everything you need to know to start earning $100 an hour by organizing photos. Plus, stay tuned for our bonus tip on how to scale this side hustle into a full-time income. What is a photo organizing business? First, let's talk about what a photo organizing business is and why it's in high demand. A photo organizing business helps clients sort, categorize, and preserve their digital and physical photos. With the rise of digital photography, many people have thousands of photos scattered across devices, and they're willing to pay good money to have someone organize them. As a photo organizer, you'll help clients create a system for storing and accessing their photos, making it easier for them to relive their memories. Next, here's how to set up your photo organizing business and start attracting clients. To start, you'll need to decide whether you want to specialize in digital or physical photo organizing, or both. Set up a website to showcase your services and use social media to promote your business. Consider offering a free consultation to attract your first clients. You'll also need basic tools like a good scanner for physical photos and photo organizing software for digital collections. The key is to make your services easy to understand and accessible to a wide audience. How do you charge $100 an hour? Here's how to price your services effectively. Pricing can be tricky, but the key is to charge based on the value you provide. For example, you can charge an hourly rate for basic organizing, but offer package deals for larger projects. Consider adding extra services like creating photo books or slideshows to increase your earnings. With the right pricing strategy, you can easily command $100 an hour or more for your services. Now, let's talk about how to find and retain clients for your photo organizing business. Finding clients can be as simple as reaching out to your network or advertising on social media. Join local business groups or online communities related to photography or organizing. Once you've secured clients, focus on delivering exceptional service to encourage repeat business and referrals. Happy clients are your best marketing tool, so go the extra mile to ensure they're satisfied with your work. Ready to take your business to the next level? Here's how to scale your photo organizing business for even greater profits. As your business grows, consider hiring additional organizers to handle more clients. You can also offer workshops or online courses on photo organizing to create additional revenue streams. By diversifying your services and reaching a wider audience, you can turn your side hustle into a full-time business that generates significant income. Want to scale even faster? Offer online photo organizing services to clients around the world. By expanding your reach beyond your local area, you can tap into a global market and increase your earning potential. Combine this with digital marketing strategies to attract a steady stream of clients. And that's how you can earn $100 an hour by starting a photo organizing business. It's a simple yet highly profitable side hustle that anyone can start with minimal investment. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on turning your skills into cash. We've got more great content coming your way, including a look at the best side hustles for 2024. You won't want to miss it. See you in the next video.